Monroe County Sheriff's Office.
Why can't we just do it now?
Said to clean the fridge out. Freezer.
Enforcement services will not be available as Hurricane Irma approaches again. They are urging residents to leave, adding that the window to do so is closing fast. I'll be here all night getting the updates to you on what's happening as the storm approaches South Florida. Jackie and Juwan.
All right, Elena, thank you.
And now we're going to go to Miriam Masihi. She's live at the Miami-Dade Emergency Operations Center. Miriam?
Well, Jackie, Juwan, you know that a lot of shelters opened up really quickly, and I am here with the Director of Miami-Dade Police.